Hi friend, Saga here, technical head at Greenyuga. Today I am going to talk about what you should know before going solar. Now solar is cheaper than conventional sources, and guess what? It generates green energy. And if you are one of them who want to generate green energy, you need to know following things. Shadow free area. Solar panels work on light from sun. So shadow free area is very important to generate solar energy. Typically, 1 kilowatt system requires 100 square feet of area. Type of roof. Type of roof decides the type of structures required to mount your solar panels, in turn making a big difference in the cost. For example, structure for RCC roof would cost less compared to elevated structure for the same roof. And the roof with metal structures would have a different requirement of structures. Battery or no battery. Nowadays, solar systems come without battery too. So you need to decide first whether you want a battery system or without battery system. Solar panels can be installed anywhere in the world because solar panels generate energy from the light received from the sun. And there is a myth wherein people believe that solar panels doesn't generate energy during cloudy season. It's not true. They do generate energy during cloudy seasons. Professional installation is very important. As we generate electrical energy, there is always risk of shocks, fire and loss of life. So you need to understand this and go for a professional installation. And the system should work for 25 years. So professional installation is very important. Solar energy system increases your home value as it generates green energy for 25 years. Who would say no to free electricity? Solar warranties. Different components have different warranties in solar system. For example, solar panels have 10 years of manufacturing warranty and 27 years of performance warranty. And inverters have 5 to 12 years of warranty. And balance of the system have around 1 year of warranty. Do solar panels harm your roof? No. Because nowadays we have solar structures where you can install solar panels without drilling any hole on your roof. For example, here we have installed without drilling any hole on the roof. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, you can contact Greenyuga. Details are in the description.